The future can never be predicted, as peace can turn to war overnight. Everyone knows this and subtly prepares for the unknown. Somehow, this includes China, which is heavily investing annually in destructive missiles. But at the pinnacle of power, America, its rival, is not idle. In fact, they've got magic up their sleeves that you'd never imagined. Brace yourselves as we bring you the top 10 U.S. Air Force's most advanced weaponry. Number 1, the Advanced Battle Management System, ABMS. The Advanced Battle Management System, ABMS, is one of the most impressive contributions of the U.S. Air Force to the Pentagon's Joint All-Domain Command and Control, JADC2. ABMS is a next-generation command and control system that stands as a new model for managing battle. It integrates all of the U.S. Air Force's assets, including aircraft, ground systems, and satellites. Like an all-knowing figure, it can provide any data needed to help the Air Force make victorious battle choices. Though still under development, ABMS is expected to be operational by the early 2030s. Number 2, Next Generation Jammer, NGJ. The Next Generation Jammer, NGJ, is a new and unique electronic warfare system designed to jam enemy radars and communication systems. It is a significant upgrade over the previous electronic warfare system used by the U.S. Air Force, the ALQ-99. The NGJ is more powerful, agile, and has a wider range of capabilities, making it more difficult for enemies to track and target U.S. aircraft. Its adaptability lies in being software-defined, allowing it to be updated with new capabilities as the situation requires. Number 3, the Stand-in Attack Weapon, SIAW. The Stand-in Attack Weapon, SIAW, is an upgraded version of air-to-ground harm missiles designed to penetrate enemy air defenses. With its stealthiness, the SIAW can hide its signal carefully, making it capable of staying undetected and penetrating enemy air defenses more easily. It is also software-defined, allowing for continuous upgrades to adapt to evolving threats posed by enemy air defenses. Number 4, the B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider is a stealth bomber designed to penetrate enemy air defenses and deliver precise strikes. It is the first new bomber design for the U.S. Air Force in over 30 years. The B-21 Raider is more stealthy, maneuverable, and has a longer range than its predecessors, the B-2 Spirit and B-1 Lancer. Being software-defined, it can be updated with new capabilities to stay ahead of the evolving warfare landscape. Number 5, Long-Range Standoff Missile, LRSO. The Long-Range Standoff Missile, LRSO, is a nuclear-armed cruise missile designed to replace the AGM-86A LCM. It is capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace, with a longer range, greater maneuverability, and the ability to carry a larger warhead compared to its predecessor. Being software-defined, the LRSO can receive frequent updates to enhance its capabilities. Number 6, MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is a long-range armed drone designed for surveillance and strike missions. It is equipped with various weapons, including Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, making it capable of coordinated strikes and reconnaissance. The Reaper is larger and more powerful than its predecessor, the MQ-1 Predator, and is equipped with a variety of sensors for all-weather surveillance and strike missions. Number 7, F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation fighter jet. The F-35 Lightning II is a fifth-generation fighter jet, considered the most advanced in the world. With three main variants, F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C, the F-35 is stealthy, highly maneuverable, and equipped with advanced weapons for air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It combines sensor fusion and situational awareness, making it a difficult target to shoot down. Number 8, Tactical Ultra-Short Pulsed Laser, TUPL. The Tactical Ultra-Short Pulsed Laser, TUPL, is a laser weapon that uses ultra-short pulses of laser light to deliver a high-energy impact on its target. With shorter pulses, it can heat the target surface to a very high temperature, causing it to vaporize or melt. The TUPL is more versatile than its predecessors, capable of targeting a wider range of enemies, including aircraft, drones, missiles, and ground vehicles. Number 9, RQ-180. The RQ-180 is an unmanned high-altitude, long-endurance stealth drone designed for surveillance missions. Its stealthy design makes it difficult for enemy radars to detect, allowing it to fly over enemy territory undetected and gather intelligence. While its exact capabilities are highly classified, it is believed to be a powerful and versatile surveillance drone. Number 10. The Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept, HAWC. The Hypersonic Air-Breathing Weapon Concept, HAWC, operates at hypersonic speeds, 5 times the speed of sound. It is a scramjet-powered hypersonic air-launched cruise missile designed to propel at a speed greater than Mach 5. With no explosive warhead, its kinetic energy propels the missile at over 3,700 miles per hour. The HAWC is a significant technological achievement and a potential game-changer in the future of warfare.